This week in the Frame Shop, we are on location at EasyLinks in Lewisville, Texas. EasyLinks creates software for the insurance industry. During the pandemic, they had to drain their fish tank, so we were called in to deal with the opening that was left. This is a picture of Big Bend National Park here in Texas. Their conference rooms here are all named after national parks, so this was the obvious choice. This is not the first curved wall installation that we've done. We've done them on PVC as well as acrylic. We've even done some where we used narrow vertical strips that then conform to the shape of the wall. So there's lots of options for a curved wall. This is our first installation where we incorporated LED lighting with a curved wall installation. This is a 4,000 Kelvin LED strip, which is cool white. Of course, you could also do RGB LEDs, which would allow you to choose any color light that you wanted, so you could get much more sophisticated with the lighting. So I hope you enjoyed this video and follow us on YouTube. Check out our website at artifactsart.com, and I'll see you next time in the Frame Shop.